What if I tell you you can make money by just giving your feedback or opinion about products that you use or consume regularly? Yes, you heard it right. That is possible, and you can make a lot of money in this space as well. I am Ashwin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce a secret passive income way where you can make a lot of money, and this is emerging as well. It's nothing but user generated content or UGC. UGC is gaining its demand since last couple of years. In Western countries, like it's already popular. Many creators and many people have already started making money from UGC. But what actually is UGC and how you can actually make money from UGC? UGC is all about the name itself, it's telling it's user generated content. Let's suppose there is a product, like if brand advertise the product maybe it might be in social media or it might be physical advertising. It is difficult for us to trust the brand and purchase it immediately, because see, brands always advertise, we all know that is an advertisement. But what if someone tell you a review that okay, I have used this product and this seems fine, or someone in social media posted that I'm using this product and it seems fine for me, you can purchase that. Well, there are more chances that you will purchase that product. So it is the power of user generated content. The person who is already using a product, if he or she gives a review, then there are more chances that people will purchase it. So brands are now investing a lot on users who are using their products to review their products, so that they can pay them and so that they will also get sales in returns. All you have to do is like just write a blog or just shoot Instagram reels or YouTube shorts about the products that you use regularly. But the important thing to notice here is you need to know what niche that you are targeting. Let's suppose you are someone who are into fashion products, like you regularly purchase fashion products like shoes, apparels, t-shirts, etc. Review them, like so I bought this shoe and it's comfortable for me. Or if you are someone who bought gadgets or electronic, review that product and like tell people that okay, I have been using this since so and so months and I feel it's amazing, or it's tell your honest review about it. See, once you start getting some traction, brands will contact you, brands will pay you money to review their product by sending you a free product as well. So it is how user generated content will work. See, brands are really paying a lot, like I have personally witnessed it. Brands are spending crores and crores to pay money to users to review their products. And there are many different types of UGC based content. It's not that you only do videos, you can also review the product in through a blog or through a LinkedIn post or through a tweet, whatever it might be, whatever is comfortable for you. But if your review is doing well, people are noticing it, then ultimately brands will start noticing you. Brands, suppose you are reviewing electronics mostly, then electronic companies will contact you to review their products, and it is how you can make money. You can also write blogs, or you can also review in some portals like G2, etc. So that companies will contact you, companies will ask you for reviews. Sometimes companies will also request you to use your content on their website so that they can advertise it as user generated content. It is how you can make money using this new and emerging money making skill. I hope you find this helpful. The good thing is like anyone can try it. You just need a smartphone with a selfie camera, that's it. You can just tap your camera, you can just record whatever you feel about the particular product. Just be honest, that's it. You don't need a studio setup for this. Or if you have a blog, just write in your blog. Or if you have a social media handle, just review about that in social media, that's it. So all you have to do is like just give your opinion and let brands connect with you. The thing is like authenticity is important. Like you need to make sure you have your own style to grow in this field. And because this is emerging, there will be a competition as well in the future. So make sure you grab this and you start creating UGC content from now. I hope you find this video helpful. Please share it with someone whom you think will get benefit from this. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.